Hi, hello, namaskar. I am Jitendra. Today in this video, we are learn about conjunction and its type. So before that, welcome to my channel, Study. So what is conjunctions? So conjunction is a word or set of words that join two words, phrases or clauses in the sentence. For examples, and, but, or, that, so, until, unless, when, once, as soon as, while, whereas are the examples of conjunction. So conjunction is a word or set of words that join two words, phrases, clauses in sentence. So conjunction is a word or set of words जे कि कौन करुची ना दुईटी वर्ड फ्रेजेस और क्लजेस को जॉइन करिवारे सहाय्य करुची बा कनेक्ट करिवारे सहाय्य करुची एग्जांपल होची and but or that so though until even once as soon as while whereas are the examples एगुरा होची गोटे examples. So one question arises in your mind. So what do you mean by phrases or clauses? Let's understand what is phrases or what is clauses. Phrase. It is a group of words and does not have a subject and verbs. So, for example, in the sentence, here in this sentence, in the town, there does not have a subject and verbs. So phrases कहले ना phrases होच गोटे वर्ड जार कि सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब नथिबो. एग्जांपल होची इन द टाउन एथिरे कोनोसी प्रकार सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब नाही. क्लॉज. A clause is a group of words that does have both a subject and a verbs. Clause होची group of word जार कि both subject अच्छी आउ verb भी अच्छी. Some clauses are independent, some clauses are dependent. केतेक clauses independent थांती एवं केतेक clauses dependent थांती. For examples, when I come here, it is dependent clause. She put it on the table. It is independent clause. So here in these clauses, I is the subject, come is the verbs. So clauses have both subject and verbs. Let's understand with some sentence examples. I like to eat apple. I also like to eat banana. Here subjects like both to eat apple or banana. So how can I join two sentences? So we join two sentences with using the conjunction and. So I like to eat apple and banana. Here apple and banana is the two words and it is joined with the conjunction and. Rahul studies in the library. Rahul studies at the caves. Here Rahul studies in both places, in the library or at the caves. So how can I join two sentences using conjunction? So Rahul studies in the library or a cave. So here in the library and a caves are joined with or. So in the library and a cave are the two phrases. It is joined with the conjunction or. So Rahul studies in the library or a cave. Shivani likes animal. her family do not like animals. So here Shivani likes animal but her family do not like animals. So here Shivani likes animal, it is a sentence. Her family do not like animals, so it is another sentence. So how can I connect two sentences? So we connect two sentences using but. Shivani likes animals but her animals do not like animals. Sorry, her family do not like animals. So here Shivani likes animal and her family do not like animals. Here Shivani likes animal, it is a clause, and her family do not like animals, it is also a clause. So we connect two clauses with using the conjunction but. Ritu is reading and Situ is writing. So here Ritu is reading, it is a clause. Situ is writing, it is another clause. So we connect two clauses with using conjunctions. Ritu is reading but Situ is writing. So here Ritu is reading and Situ is writing are connects with the conjunction but. Rita is absent, Rita is ill. So here we discuss about the subject Rita. Rita is absent, Rita is ill. So how can we join two sentences? So we join two sentences with using conjunction because. Rita is absent because Rita is ill. Rita is absent because she is ill. Here we connect two clauses. Rita is absent and she is ill. Madhu is my brother. Shubha is my brother. Here Madhu is my brother and Shubha is also my brother. So we can say Madhu and Shubha are my brothers. So here we add Madhu and Shubha with using and. So I like to eat apple. I also like to eat banana. ମୁଁ apple ଖାଇବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ banana ଖାଇବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ। ତାହେଲେ এই ଦୁଇଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା କେମିତି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ଜଏନ୍ କରିବା। तो आम एठारे कौन एंड यूज करके दुटा सेंटेंस को जॉइन करवा। आई लाइक टू ईट एप्पल एंड बनाना, मु एप्पल खाए एवं बनाना खाए। राहुल स्टडीज इन द लाइब्रेरी, राहुल स्टडी एट द केव। राहुल कौन लाइब्रेरी पढ़े एवं केव रे पढ़े। तो एठारे कौन करवा ना आम और यूज करके दुटा सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करवा। राहुल स्टडी इन द लाइब्रेरी और ए केव। शिवानी लाइक्स एनिमल्स, हर फैमिली डू नॉट लाइक एनिमल्स। शिवानी एनिमल को रखा भल पाए किंतु तांका फैमिली लोक रखा को पसंद करती नहीं। सो शिवानी लाइक्स एनिमल्स बट हर फैमिली डू नॉट लाइक एनिमल्स। सो एठारे कोन ना शिवानी होउची गोटे सेंटेंस आउ हर फैमिली होउची आउ गोटे सेंटेंस। सो दुटा सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करबा को हेले हमको बट यूज करिया को पड़िबो। सो शिवानी लाइक्स एनिमल, शिवानी एनिमल को पसंद करे किंतु तांकर फैमिली पसंद करे नाही। रितु इज रीडिंग, सितु इज राइटिंग। रितु पढुची किंतु सितु लेखुची। आम एमती कहि परिबा रितु पढुची किंतु सितु लेखुची। सो एठारे आम कोन कले बट यूज कले। रीता इज एब्सेंट एंड रीता इज इल। रीता एठारे एब्सेंट अछि आउ रीता असुस्थ अछि। ताले ए दुटा को हम केमिति कनेक्ट करबा। सो रीता इज एब्सेंट बिकॉज़ शी इज इल। रीता एठी एब्सेंट कारण से बहुत असुस्थ अछि। मधु इज माय ब्रदर एंड शुभ इज माय ब्रदर। ताले मधु होउची मो ब्रदर एंड शुभ होउची मो ब्रदर। तो एठारे दी जण होउछन मो ब्रदर। सो मु दुटा सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करी सो मधु एंड शुभ आर माय ब्रदर ताले मैं कहि पारि मधु एवं शुभ आर माय ब्रदर ताले मैं एठारे कोन यूज कली एंड यूज कली some other sentence so we ate a pizza and a kebab so एठारे pizza and kebab connect hela and re we had some cakes but we don't have any coffee we had some cakes but we don't have any coffee कण मु केक चाहे किंतु कॉफी चाहे नाही I had a headache so I did not go to the party मोर बहुत जोरे हेडाक होची सो मु पार्टी को जाई परिबी नाही You can have a coffee or a tea but not both तुमे कॉफी किंबा टी नहीं पारो किंतु दी जन भितर केवल गोटाई नबाको पड़िबो I can't come to school because I have an important appointment so I can't come to school because I have an important appointment so मु स्कूल जाई परिबे नाही कारण मोर गोटे important appointment अछि I will call you when I get home मु तुमको कॉल करिबी जते बेले मु घरे पहुंचबी as long as you do your homework you will pass the course I wanted to eat Japanese food whereas my wife wanted to eat Chinese food मु किंतु जापानीज फूड खाइ पसंद करे जते बेले कि मो वाइफ चाइनीज फूड खाइबा को पसंद करନ୍ତି so here and but so or because when as long as whereas are the examples of conjunctions types of conjunctions conjunction केते प्रकार conjunction साधारणतः तीन प्रकार अछि coordinate conjunctions subordinate conjunctions and correlative conjunctions conjunction तीन प्रकार coordinate conjunctions subordinate conjunctions and correlative conjunctions let's discuss brief about the three types of conjunctions. First, we discuss about the coordinate conjunctions. So, what do you mean by coordinate conjunctions? The conjunctions that join two words or two independent clauses or phrases is known as coordinate conjunctions. Conjunction होउची गोटे वर्ड जाकी दुईटी वर्ड दुईटी इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉसेस और फ्रेजेस को कनेक्ट करे ताको हम कहबा कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शंस द टू कनेक्टेड क्लॉजेस और फ्रेजेस आर ऑफ इक्वल इंपोर्टेंस एठारे टू कनेक्टेड क्लॉजेस और फ्रेजेस रो इक्वल इंपोर्टेंस रहिछ one thoughts plus coordinate conjunctions plus second thoughts two thoughts are about same things for example for and nor but or yet so these are the examples so some rules for coordinate conjunctions rule 1 for joining two words or phrases Ria and Sima are sisters here Rima and Sima are the two words connected with and My book is in the cupboard or on the shelves. Here, in the cupboards and on the shelf are the two phrases. So, my book is in the cupboards or on the shelves. So, Ria and Sima are sisters. Ria और Sima होसुंती मोरो sister. एटारे कौन हला Ria और Sima को and सहित जोड़ा गला. My books is in cupboard or on the shelf. So in the cupboard or on the shelves are two phrases. So एठारे two phrases को कौन कराला और यूज कराए कि connect कराला. For discussing more than two items, we use comma. For examples, item 1, item 2, item 3 and or item 4. So for example, suppose we have, for example, banana, apple, mango and grapes for my friends. So we add comma when we using two or more than items, and we use and at the last items. ताले इतने कौन करना ना जिते बेले आमे कौन करू अधिक आइटम विषय रे कथा हो तेबे आमे कमा यूज करू जेमिति बनाना कमा एप्पल कमा मैंगोस सभा शेष रे लास्ट जो आइटम दा थिबो ता पूर्व आमे एंड यूज करू तो मैं आ भी एग्जांपल कहि परिबी राम कमा श्याम कमा रघु एंड सीतू आर माय फ्रेंड्स सो मु कोन कली सभा शेष रे जोटा मोर लास्ट आइटम पूर्व मु कोन कली एंड यूज कली Rule 2. Independent clauses plus comma plus coordinate conjunction plus independent clauses. So, if there are two independent clauses, so we can go to market, comma, or we can study at home. Rule 2 रे कौन कहला ना गोटे इंडिपेंडेंस क्लॉज थिबो प्लस ता साइड रे गोटा कमा दे जिवो तापर कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन यूज करा जिवो देन इंडिपेंडेंस क्लॉसेस यूज करा जिवो we can go to the market comma or we can study at home so we can go to the market and we can study at home hochi dita independence clause so we connect the two independent clauses with using or so we can go to market comma or we can study at home she studied hard comma but she could not get first position. So here he studied hard. It is independent clauses. Then we put comma, but she could not get first position. Then coordinate conjunction. Then independent clauses. She could not get first position. So here she studied hard होची independent clauses. तापर हमें comma use कले. तापर coordinate conjunction but use कले. She could not get first position. Sia made a photo frames for his brother, comma, and he liked it. So here, Sima made a photo frame for his brother. It is independent clauses, and he liked it. It is another independent clauses. We add two independent clauses with using and. Sia made a photo frame for his brother, comma, and he liked it. The gold is hidden at the beach or by the lakeside. So here there is no comma because the gold is hidden at the beach or by the lake side. So here at the beach and by the lake side are the two phrases and it is connect with or so that we cannot use comma. Some sentence examples. I like to eat apple and banana. So here we add apple or banana with using the conjunction and. Rahul study in the library or a caves. Here in the library or a caves we use connect two phrases with using conjunction or. Madhu and Shubha are my brother. So Madhu is a word, Shubha is another word. So we connect Madhu and Shubha with using the conjunction and. We went to park, comma, but we did not have the time for the museum. So here we went to park. It is independent clauses. And we did not have time for museum. It is another independent clauses. It is belongs to rule number 1. Independence clauses, comma, coordinate conjunctions plus independent clauses. So we went to the parks, independent clauses, then after comma, then after coordinate conjunction but we did not have time for museum is another independent clauses. She has to work late tonight, comma, so she cannot make it to party. So here she has to work late tonight. It is independent clauses, then so it coordinate conjunction, she cannot make it to party, it another independent clauses. So we use comma at the first independent clauses. Let's meet at the beach or in front of the hotel. So here we add two clauses with using the conjunction or. Let's meet at the beach or in front of the hotel. On Friday night we watch TV and a movie. So on Friday night we watch TV and a movie. कौन ना आमे फ्राइडे नाइट टीवी देखिबा एवं मूवी देखिबा. सो आई लाइक टू इट एप्पल एंड बनाना. मु एप्पल खाइबी एवं बनाना खाइबी. एथरे कोन हला ना मु दीटा को फ्रूट्स खाइबी बोथ. राहुल स्टडी इन द लाइब्रेरी और अ केव. राहुल आइदर लाइब्रेरी रे पढ़िबो किंबा केव रे पढ़िबो. मधु एंड शुभ. एथरे मधु और शुभ को कनेक्ट करिया पे एंड यूज करा गला. We went to the park but we did not have time for museum. So we went to park, use with independent clauses. Then we add the coordinate conjunction but. Then after we did not have times for museum and another independent clauses. So she has to work late tonight, so she cannot make it to party. So here she has to work late tonight is independent clauses and she cannot make it to party is another independent clauses. The two independent clauses are joined together with using the conjunction so. Subordinating conjunctions. So what is subordinating conjunctions? The conjunction that connect a clause to other on which it depends for its full meaning is called subordinating conjunctions. The conjunction that connect a clause to other on which it depends for its full meanings is called subordinating conjunction. ताले कौन ना subordinating conjunction कौन ची ना दीटा क्लॉज को कनेक्ट करिवो जे कि प्रथम क्लॉज टी आउ गोटे क्लॉज रो फुल मीनिंग को जणैबो. फॉर एग्जांपल्स आफ्टर, व्हेन, व्हाइल, थो, वेदर, रादर देन, ओनली, इफ, दैट, बिकॉज, वेयर, एक्सेट्रा. Subordinating conjunctions can be categorized in the following: comparisons, than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas, time, after, as soon as, until, whenever, now, that, concession, though, although, even though, relative pronoun, who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose, reason, because, since, so that, in order to, as, condition, if, only if, unless, provided that, assuming that, place, where, wherever, relative adjective, that, whatever, which, whichever, manner, how, as though, as if. So these are the examples of subordinating conjunctions. So rule number 1: subordinate conjunctions plus depending dependent clause plus comma plus independent clause. So first comes subordinating conjunctions, then dependent clause, then after comma, then after independent clause. So if you don't want to go to the market, so here if is a subordinating conjunctions, then after dependent clause. So you don't want to go to market is dependent clause, then after put comma, then after independent clause. You can study at home, it's independent clause. So if you don't want to go to the market, you can study at home. जदि तुम्हें मार्केट न जाओ बा न जीवाकू चाहूच तेबे तुम्हें घरे रही पढ़ी पार. ताले इफ यू डोंट वांट टू गो टू मार्केट ये होची डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. जदि तुम्हें मार्केट जीवाकू चाहू ना ये होची डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, ताहले तुम्हें घरे बसिकी पढ़ी पार ये होची इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. तुम्हें घरे बसिकी पढ़ी पार किंबा अन्य काम भी करि परिबो सेटा होची इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जे कि प्रथम ऊपर डिपेंड करिबो. रूल नंबर 2, independent clauses plus subordinating conjunctions plus dependent clauses. So independent clauses, subordinating conjunctions plus dependent clause. So you can study at home if you don't want to go to market. So here you can study at home is independent clauses. And if you don't want to go, so here if is subordinating conjunctions, then you don't want to go to market. So you don't want to go to market is dependent clause. So here we don't use comma. So here remember one thing, if subordinate conjunction is at the first sentences, then we put comma, then after we write independent clauses. So rule number 1 होची कौन ना जदि वाक्यर प्रथम जदि सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन थिबो तार हमें कौन करिबा ना सेकंड क्लॉजेस लिखिया बेले कॉमा यूज करिबा. If you don't want to go to market, comma use करिबा, then हमें लिखिबा independent clauses. You can study at home. किंतु हमें जिते बेले लिखिबा you can study at home if you don't want to go to market. तो एटारे कोन हला ना सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन टा हमर मझिरे यूज कराला. जिते बेले सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन मझिरे यूज करा जिवो सेते बेले कोनोसी कॉमा यूज करा जिवो नाही. जिते बेले सबऑर्डिनेट कंजक्शन प्रथम यूज करा जिवो सेंटेंस रो प्रथम रे तेबे हमें कोन करिया ना फर्स्ट क्लॉजेस परे कोन करिबा ना कॉमा यूज करके सेकंड क्लॉजेस लिखबा को पड़िबो. दिस इज होल अबाउट द रूल about the subordinate conjunction. Some sentence examples: after, although, before, if, when, whether are the example of subordinate conjunctions. Then we discuss example. After she had learned to drive. So here subordinating conjunction placed at the first of the sentence. So we use comma before write the second clauses. After she had learned to drive, से ड्राइव सीखी सारा परे आलिस फेल्ट मोर इंडिपेंडेंस. आलिस कौन बहुत खुशी हो जीवो तको गाड़ी चले को पड़िबो ना इंडिपेंडेंट हो जीवो. Although family from rich family he not arrogant to other peoples. जदियो फैमिली गोटे रिच फैमिली रो आसीची से कहा परे गर्व करे नाही बा ईर्ष्या करे नाही. लेटर कोन हला ना आफ्टर आ ऑल्दो कोन हिची ना सेंटेंस रो प्रथम रे यूज करा हिची. जदि सेंटेंस रो प्रथम रे सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन रहिथिबो तले हमें कोन करिबा ना प्रथम क्लजेस परे गोटे कमा यूज करिकी तापर सेकेंड क्लजेस लिखिबा कौन ना अल्थो फैमिली फ्रॉम रिच फैमिली ये होची फैमिली फ्रॉम रिच फैमिली होची प्रथम क्लजेस तापर कमा यूज करिबा तापर सेकेंड क्लजेस लिखिबा ही नॉट arrogant to other people before Adi go to bed she will wash her feet first. So here rule number 1 is applied. Subordinating conjunctions, dependent clause or independent clause. So here subordinate conjunction is before, then dependent clause is Adi go to bed, then after comma she will wash her feet first, then independent clauses. So if subordinate conjunction plays at the beginning of the sentence, then we use comma after dependent clauses. If the paperwork arrives on time, comma your check will be mailed on Tuesday. So here if is placed at the beginning of the sentence, then we use comma before the independent clauses. If the paperwork arrives on the time, comma your check will be mailed on Tuesday. Then Gerald had to begin his thesis over again when his computer crashed. So here Gerald had to begin his thesis over again, it is a clauses, and when his computer crashed is another clause. So here the two clauses are joined together by using when, and there is no comma because here it applied the second rule: independent clauses, subordinate conjunctions, then dependent clauses. Whether Aji and Faji argument whether want to buy beats, headphones or not. So here Aji and Faji arguments, it is a independent clauses, and want to buy beats, headphones or not is dependent clauses. The two clauses are joined together by using whether. তাহলে এটার কোন হলা না subordinate conjunction ର କେତେଗୁଡା ଉଦାହରଣ ଦିଆଗଲା ତାର examples ଦିଆଗଲା. After she had learned to drive, Ali felt more independence. ତାହେଲେ ଯଦି ସେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଶିଖି ଯିବ ତାହେଲେ ଆଲିକୁ ଟିକେ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ମିଳିବ କାରଣ ସେ ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗାଡ଼ିରେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍ କରିକି ନେବାକୁ ପଡୁଥିଲା. ଅଲ୍ଥୋ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ରିଚ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି, ଯଦିଓ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଗୋଟେ ରିଚ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲିରୁ ଆସିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ କୌଣସି ଲୋକ ଉପରେ ଗର୍ବ ଆଉ ଈର୍ଷା କରେ ନାହିଁ. ତାହେଲେ ଏଠାରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ନା କମା ୟୁଜ୍ କଲା, କାହିଁକି ନା ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟ୍ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ୍ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ବାକ୍ୟର ପ୍ରଥମରେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଯାଉଛି, ଯଦି ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟ୍ କଞ୍ଜକ୍ସନ୍ ବାକ୍ୟର ପ୍ରଥମରେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଇଥିବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ଲଜେସ୍ର ପରେ ଗୋଟେ କମା ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ କ୍ଲଜେସ୍ ଲେଖିବା. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunction are pair of joining words that we frequently use to join two ideas together in the sentence. So correlative conjunction are the pair of joining words that we frequently use to join two ideas together in the sentence. So correlative conjunction होची ना गोटे pair of words, केते वर्ड गुरुकर गोटे पेयर से कौन करे ना दुटा आइडिया को जॉइन करिवारे व्यवहार करा जाइथे. फॉर एग्जांपल्स both and, whether or, neither nor, not only but also, etc. So here are the examples of correlative conjunctions. Some sentence examples. both hand. So the company deals in both hardware and software. So either I will eat either carrot or peas for dinner. Natalie likes neither milk nor cream cake. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? He not only studies hard but also works well. It's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to much to keep it clean. Scarcely her, she entered the room when the phone rings. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So both hand, the company deals in both hardware and software. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି both यूज କରାଯିବ both means two things both ତାପରେ ଆମେ ତା ପାଖରେ and କି यूज କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ତାହେଲେ the company deals in both hardware and software ଦିଟା ଯାକ hardware ଏବଂ software କୁ deals କରୁଛି I will eat either carrot or peas for dinner ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ନା carrot ଖାଇବି କିମ୍ବା peas ଖାଇବି Natalie likes neither milk nor cream cake. Natalie ना मिल्क खाइବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ ନା cream cake ଖାଇବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ. So here neither nor. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? He not only study hard but also works well. से केवल स्टडी करूना से किंतु भल काम करुच्ची It's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. ये कौन बहुत छोट किचन सो मते एते सब क्लीन करिया को पड़िबो नाही So here both and either or neither or nor whether or not only but also such that scarcely when and no sooner and then are the example of correlative conjunction here the correlative conjunction are using to join two or more clauses or words Difference between preposition and conjunctions. So preposition relate a noun to other words, but conjunction connected words or phrases. For examples of prepositions, I am going to the museum. So here, to is a preposition and it shows the direction of the museum where the subject is going to. But in conjunction always connect two words or phrases. For examples, you and I are friends. I want candy or juice. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and if you like the video, share to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Jagannath.